So if you're looking to buy a dash camera under the price bracket of 10,000 or maybe 8,000 or maybe 6,000, well, I have the 3 best dash cameras within that price range lined up for you in this video. Well, the first dash cam I'm going to talk about is the MyFitSpark DC-102 Pro Plus, and this comes at a price of 9,999, or should I say less than 10,000 rupees. So this dash cam is the flagship product from MyFitSpark and gives you the best possible features within that particular price range, starting off with the fact that this gets a well-tested, well-reliable Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor to give you that flawless video quality. Additionally, this camera also gets the advanced Novatec AI chipset, which makes this camera so much more powerful that it provides you 4 ADAS features built in inside, including a lane departure warning, a front collision warning, a stop and go warning, and a pedestrian alert warning. The DC-102 Pro Plus also boasts of a refined build quality and an elegant look. The front camera shoots a 2560 into 1600p resolution at 30 fps, and the rear camera shoots a full HD resolution at 30 frames per second. Another cool thing about this camera which really sets it apart is the 3.16-inch IPS display, which is basically a widescreen display at the back of the dash cam, which can help you in providing the rear camera view or the front camera view based on your preference, so you can easily monitor what the dash cam is looking at. Additionally, this camera also gets a built-in GPS logger, which means it can record your GPS coordinates and the speed of the car directly into the recorded video. Other than these special features, the DC-102 Pro Plus also gets the standard features such as built-in Wi-Fi, built-in G sensor, and a G sensor based emergency recording, along with parking monitoring, for which you will need a separate hardware kit. So coming in at a price of 9,999, this is a total package of a dash cam and would be an ideal camera to invest in as your first dash cam under the 10,000 price bracket. But if you really cannot stretch your budget up to 10k and you have a budget of about maybe 8,000 rupees, well, I would recommend the MyFitSpark DC-101 Pro ADAS model. So this comes in at a price of 7,999 and gives you nearly the same features of the DC-102 Pro Plus. Starting off, this also gets the same advanced Novatec AI chipset right inside it. Also, the DC-101 Pro ADAS gets the same 4 advanced ADAS features which you find in the Pro Plus model. This camera also shoots a Quad HD 1440p resolution with 30 fps from the front camera and shoots a full HD resolution at 30 fps from the rear camera. Another cool thing about this camera is that this gets a 2.7-inch IPS display at the back. So not many cameras get displays within this price range, wherein the DC-101 Pro ADAS giving you a display, and for the fact that this also gives you a GPS built-in is a definite cherry on top. Apart from these special features, this camera also gets the standard features such as the built-in Wi-Fi, app support, G sensor, emergency recording, and even parking mode, for which you'll need a separate hardware kit. So this dash camera basically gives you that perfect balance of giving you advanced features at the same time keeping the price less than 8,000 rupees. That being said, if you really cannot extend your budget all the way up to 8,000 and you have kind of a limited budget of up to 6,000 rupees, this third camera is definitely the one you should invest in. I'm talking about the MyFitSpark DC-101 Wi-Fi Duo. Now this model doesn't get the advanced ADAS features, but it still gets the same Novatec AI chipset, can shoot Quad HD 1440p resolution 30 fps from the front and a full HD 30 fps from the rear. This camera also gets the same 2.7-inch HD IPS display at the back and also gets the standard features such as the built-in Wi-Fi, the G sensor, emergency recording, and parking recording with a separate hardware kit. This would be an excellent choice under 6,000 rupees because the kind of features this offers, many cameras within this price range do really lack them. That being said, the one thing which many people prefer and the one thing which is common with all these 3 cameras is that all 3 cameras are super capacitor based. So many of you have been voicing concerns regarding heat, regarding parking the car in summer. Well, all 3 cameras from MyFitSpark get a super capacitor, so you won't have anything to worry about. Now in terms of memory card, in terms of storage, do note that MyFitSpark recommends a U3 Speeds 250/60B memory card either from the Lexar Silver Plus brand or the Kingston brand. MyFitSpark does not recommend the Samsung Evo cards. So 3 best dash cameras with 3 different price ranges with one popular brand. Go ahead with the one which you prefer for your car, go ahead with the one for which you have the budget for, I would definitely recommend going in with the DC-102 Pro Plus, because this provides you the most number of features for that particular price range and is a definite must buy dash cam under the 10,000 segment. So no matter which camera you're interested to buy, the purchase links are provided right down below in the description. You can click on it, go ahead and buy this for yourself. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding any of these three cameras, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for the best dash cameras under the 10,000 price segment. See you in the next one.